Welcome back to Crypto Labs News, your go-to place for crypto insights, XRP updates, and all things Bitcoin and blockchain. Smash that like button to spread those good vibes. Likes are free and help the channel grow. Let's get right into it.at. The time of this recording, XRP is trading around $2.28 after a nice run-up yesterday, followed by a slight pullback. There's some early momentum today, but nothing major yet. Bitcoin is holding at $108,452, just slightly up, and Ethereum is up 0.5% too. So overall, we're in a holding pattern. Call it a calm before the storm. Could it be post-July 4th cool down? Maybe. It feels like the market is still shaking off the holiday hangover. But as always, there's opportunity in every market, whether you're swing trading, day trading, or playing the long game. One thing that's catching attention today: Trump's new tariffs, which are eerily similar to the old Liberation Day rates. That's adding some headline risk. Despite that, U.S. markets, Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures, are slightly up. The crypto market, for now, seems largely unfazed. We're in a range between the weekly and quarterly open, a common consolidation spot early in the month. Could we be gearing up for a breakout? Possibly. For now, keep an eye on how these headlines evolve. Now here's the monster story. BlackRock is sitting on 700,000 Bitcoin, $75.5 billion worth. That's over half of all U.S. spot ETF-held Bitcoin, and they're not alone. Other major asset managers like Fidelity Strategy Fund are also stacking BTC. That we said it before here on Crypto Labs News. This is a race to accumulate before retail gets priced out. If institutions keep buying like this, there won't be much left for the average investor. U.S. Treasury Secretary Besson made a comment that turned heads. When talking about the Federal Reserve, he joked that the Fed can afford fancy breakfasts because, well, they're printing the money. That little remark might sound casual, but it underlines a truth we've known all along. The Fed operates on an unlimited checkbook. And that, friends, is exactly why we believe in crypto here at Crypto Labs News. It's about control, decentralization, and a hedge against unchecked monetary policies. Meanwhile, Dubai just broke barriers again by approving the first tokenized money market fund. A major leap for real-world assets, RWAs, on-chain. The UAE continues to lead the global charge alongside Singapore and parts of the US, perhaps Silicon Valley, as potential hubs for blockchain innovation. Europe, on the other hand, seems to be slowing down under regulatory weight. Now, here's something exciting out of Japan. You can now earn XRP through credit card reward points. This is part of the A+ points program under SBI Group's Shishini Bank and SBI VC Trade, two firms deeply tied to Ripple. This is huge. It's the first time crypto has been included as an option in a major Japanese credit card reward system. Not just XRP, Bitcoin and Ethereum are on the list too. For XRP, this adds utility and exposure in a market where Ripple already has strong roots. Countries like Japan and South Korea might end up being key drivers in the next big XRP rally. To wrap it up, we're seeing institutional dominance rise, central banks playing games, global expansion of crypto utility, and new RWA pipelines opening. That it's clear that the space is evolving faster than ever. And we'll be right here on Crypto Labs News tracking it all. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, stay safe from scams, and only invest what you're comfortable with. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive, especially that video I teased earlier about BlackRock and strategy funds. Thank you for watching. And like I always say, let's make a lot of money.